Hi, I'm Tammy. Let's go shopping. I need a shopping fix today. I need something like Home Goods or Target or World Market. Something. I need some home decor shopping. You're coming with me. Grab your keys, grab your mask. Let's go. According to Google Maps, this shop, Maisons Du Monde, has 3 locations in Milan. We're going to the one that's the most southwest. At the end of this video, I will post you a nice convenient list about all the best things in this store, so you know where to find them when you go. Okay, Maisons Du Monde, let's see what you have for fall 2021. That was such great shopping. I loved that store. And what are the high points about this store that you need to know? First, its size. That store is about the size of a Costco in the US. And why is that good? Why do you want to walk around a store that's getting near the IKEA size? Well, it's great because of the way that they display all the product. Everything is displayed in multiple formats. If you're looking for a pillow, you will see that pillow not only with the other pillows in the pillow section, you'll also see it in a little vignette with similar colors so you can see how that color can spread around your house. And you'll also see it in a room display, so giving you ideas of how else you could use that pillow in your house. So by the time you're finished shopping this giant store, you've seen your pillow so many times that you know if it's gonna be good or bad for you. So I love that. It's great. The second thing that's great about this store, lamps. Lamps, lamps, lamps. Their selection of lamps is killer. I loved so many of them, and I could go home with any of them. When I need lamps, I'm going to this store first. Seriously. I don't need any right now, but when I do, guess where I'm going? Here. Number 3, their selection of pillows, speaking of pillows, is great. They have a great selection of pillows. Killer. If you can't find a pillow here, you know, you ain't finding it. That's the seriousness. I don't know and didn't check whether they're fiber fill or down fill, any of that. They just have a ton of them. I didn't have time to check them all. The next thing that's so good about this store is their velvet. I was surprised by the quality of the velvet. Looked really good. I saw only one piece, that blue sofa, a little shiny for me, but all the rest of the velvets in all the products, they were really nice. And I was happy to see that. So I would definitely go look for velvets there if I was shopping for velvets. And the next thing that's really good at this store is their offering and their variety of chairs. Believe it or not, it can be hard to find different chairs here. So finding them, different materials, different constructions, different aesthetics. Very nice to see. So those for me were the best highlights. Oh, and the baskets. The baskets. They had a really good selection of baskets, covered and uncovered. So I would definitely check those out as well. So thanks for joining us. Thanks for going shopping with me. See you next time.